Hi everyone, I am Siddharth. Today 31 January 2022. Today's topic is OOPS concept. In that Java class based object oriented programming. OOPS language stands for object oriented programming. In that OOPS concept initiated improve that the programming object oriented. In that efficiently the main principles and convergence. In that polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance. In that one by one discuss the OOPS concepts. First is inheritance. Inheritance is a method in which object acquires in that inherit another object, that is create a class. It will exist the classes inheritance. In next is polymorphism. Polymorphism is refers to many forms, or it is process. In that polymorphism in that occurs how many classes related in that each other. In that is compile the run in time many runtime error. In that polymorphism is that when we overload static method in Java. In that perform a polymorphism to access generally the concept of polymorphism, in which expressed as one as in that two. In that one by one is required to interface multiple method. In this reduce complexity and by allowing a same interface in that general class of action. And third is encapsulation in that of the concept of OOPS concept. In that process that binds together the data in code outside interface. In that single encrypts both from being the same from is hidden. In that process binds together the data and code outside interface, and both from being to the world in the data known as data hiding encapsulation, in which known its encapsulation acts as protective is that the wrapper that prevent in which code and etc. In polymorphism is the being accessed by orchidism that's accessed by outsider in that well defined. OOPS is designing programs using classes and objects. In that OOPS of the core Java of in which objects instance of classes also real entities. In that which classes is equal to modifier and requires. In objects the keywords class whenever return named. In abstraction refers to in data display only the information. In that OOPS concept is have reusability and code maintenance. In that code redundancy and security etc. In that perform to data fourth is data abstraction. In that the concept of object oriented programming language. In that shows only essential attributes. In that hides unnecessary information, and abstraction is selecting the power of data from a larger to pool to show that the irrelevant details that of the object is real to the user. It helps in reducing programming language complexity of efforts. In that the so many concept data abstraction. Thank you.